Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know, my name is Anas. Today my topic is how to start English. Some people think a lot. Should I start English or not? Brother, when you will not start English, so so how will you learn English? You have to start English because if you will start English quickly, after that you will learn English quickly. So you have to start English. Yeah, you should not think about yeah what anybody will think about me. No matter. You have to start. Yeah. First of all, when you will start English, you should learn first time you should learn tenses. If you will learn tenses, after that you will understand a lot of English things. Because when you will have learned tenses, so after that you will make after that you will make all sentence easily. Yeah. So first first you should learn tenses. After that after that when you will make sentence little, after that after that which thing is coming in your mind, you can speak. Yeah. What we can say what did you do whole day? Just you can write in the notebook. Yeah. If you will if you will write if you will write in the book every day or every thought. Yeah. So your writing habit will improve quickly. So if you will write every day everything in English, your writing habit will improve quickly. So the writing, it is very important thing. Yeah. But you should start quickly. Yeah. You should not think about everyone. Yeah. Anybody is learning anything, but you are not learning in this time. Yeah. I have said many times these things. Anybody will not help you in this world. What are you thinking? You should not think a lot. Yeah. You have to start quickly. If you will improve your English quickly, you have to write down any thought, any thought, which thought is coming in your mind. You can write in the notebook. Yeah. So when you will write in the notebook, after that, after that, you will improve a lot your vocabulary. Yeah. When you will have a lot of vocabulary, so if you will speak front of anyone, if you will talk to anybody, so you can speak. We can say you will speak with confidence. Yeah. when confidence will come when confidence will come, do you know these things? Confidence comes only when you work hard. Suppose you are saying that I cannot do it this work, but you are trying. After that, you tried you tried, you tried, so, so you worked good. Yeah, you have to try again and again. If you will try again and again, so your, your daily habits will improve quickly. So you have to improve yourself every day. You have to improve yourself every day. You, you listen, did you not listen about your Android phone? Did you not listen about Android phone? Example, did you not listen about your Android phone? He says to you, it says to you, why are you not, why are you not updating me? Yeah, it's solicit update 1 month, we can say 3 months. So when, when you will upgrade, when you will update yourself again and again, so you will improve, you will improve your, you will improve all of things. Yeah. So, so you have to understood these things. Yeah. Which work are you doing in this time? Yeah. We can say, we can say, I was saying that you have to improve these things. You have to improve these things. Doesn't matter. Yeah. You are doing a lot of mistake. You are, doesn't matter. Yeah. If you will do a lot of mistake, after that you will learn a lot. Yeah. People learn by your mistake. If you will, if you will not do mistake, you can not do, you can not learn. Yeah. But if you will mistake again and again, after that you will improve. After that you will improve a lot. Yeah. But some people are understanding these things. Some people are not understanding these things. So you have to follow right methods. If you will follow right methods in this time, after that, you will achieve your goal quickly. Yeah. So, so I was talking about confidence. I was talking about confidence. Confidence will come, confidence will come when you will think, when you think, when you think about this work. How can I do this work? Yeah, it is very hard work. I will not do it this work. After that, but you try. After that, but you try. If you will try, so, so if you will try, so you will improve your confidence. Yeah, but you are fearing. You should not fearing. If you will, if you want to do, if you want to do improve your confidence, you have to practice a lot. Yeah, without practice, you cannot improve your confidence. But but you are not understanding these things. I have said many times these things in my video. When you will practice a lot, you will improve yourself a lot. So, so you fear front of anybody. You fear front of, you fear front of, like we can say any girls. You should not fear any girls. You should not fear any. You should not fear front of anybody. Then you can speak. Yeah. If you will speak, again and again in front of all people. After that, you will improve a lot. Yeah, it is best way improve your confidence. Yeah, you have to hard work in this time. Yeah, if thanks for watch my video. If you will like my video, you can subscribe my channel. I will meet you next video. Thank you so much.